My Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. So I'm gonna show mods and stuff like that. Yeah, it's old. That's old. Don't worry about none of this shit. I'm just a little showing off. This ain't gonna be no, oh, he got mods, but he not doing shit at the track. Nah, y'all gonna really see what this thing do. Alright, so this is a real car, it ain't gonna be all cleaned up and all that shit. I was using it as a daily driver, it's whatever. I got my Hellcat intake, so it's coming straight from the headlight. You can get right here. It's gonna come straight from the headlight. I got the Mopar part right there, straight all the way. I got the throttle body.
What's up, bro? Shit clean.
Oh, thanks a lot, man.
Yeah, man. What's in the engine?
Yeah, I got the 6.4. This is the Scat Pack one.
For sure, bro.
Starter. I already been driving it, but